For traders that have emailed and asked, the links for the free downloads are in the description box below. Just click on the link or copy and paste and put that in your browser. The 4-step method to high performance trading and the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders create the rituals, the mindset, and the winning attitude to master the markets. Bulletproof yourself with your daily routine and your habits. Force yourself to be getting better, 1% better every single day. How good can you get, traders? Again, the free downloads, the links are down below. They're both free courses. Let's get started.
Good day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today, just as we end the year or getting closer to the last trading days of the year, looking back at the best ACB playbook setups where traders could have significantly compounded their trading account. As we head into the new year, emphasizing to traders keeping things as simple as possible and hunting out rinse and repeat setups. Not worried about trying to figure out what a market's going to do or analyzing it, but hunting out easy money-making rinse and repeat setups that show up again and again and again on any instrument in any session on any given week within the trading month. Recognizing when we get into a new month, a new monthly cycle on any instrument where we can still have opportunities on any given day, but recognizing also when certain months may offer traders significant scalable opportunities. And then narrowing our focus down into our timing window in the session that we're trading when we have that opportunity setting up in the session that we're trading, and recognizing setups that aren't coming back, that can be scaled into with larger asymmetrical risk reward than just catching moves or grabbing some pips. Understanding how we can have instruments setting up on the front side of a week or setting up for the back side of the week and sitting on our hands and waiting, not worried about trying to get a trade every day, but where is the scalable opportunity where there's zero stress, zero emotion, zero thinking, and for the most part, zero management, because once that trade takes off, it's not coming back. And there may be other weeks on certain instruments when the markets are just, for whatever reason, grinding in one direction. And even though that might be your favorite instrument, understanding that there's actually not any real edge in the market, and looking at other instruments that are set up for rinse and repeat setups that are easy to make money on. And if the train's already left the station in the session that you're trading, acknowledging if there's no setup at all or potentially a low-hanging fruit opportunity. And if nothing is present there, identifying another high probability setup on a different instrument in that session. We talk about the escalator ride up and the elevator ride down. Simple rinse and repeat, pump and dump or dump and pump templates. And just being willing to sit and be patient and knowing exactly the type of setups, number one, that you can make a lot of money on, but then also not engaging in any other sort of self-sabotaging behavior that in between can damage your trading account. And if it's a nail and bail situation, recognizing what type of risk you want to put on that trade, how you're going to manage it, where you're going to lock in your profits, and then walking away when you're done, not continuing to try and catch moves and take more trades. How are you going to grow your trading business? Trying to catch every move in the market is only for smart people, for geniuses. Rinse and repeat opportunities show up again and again and again. So if you're trying to figure out what a market's going to do and you're struggling, step back and identify setups where it's really easy to make money on, and then be patient and be willing to just look for that opportunity and understand that unless you find that setup, not worried about trying to catch a move or take a trade all the time. There are days and setups where it's easy to make a lot of money on. And then there are other days to avoid and just sit and wait and let the market set up for you. And if you don't have a 90-10 edge in the market, not even worried about trying to catch the low or grab the high. It doesn't matter if it's in the short direction or the long direction. Which setup are you hunting? Can show up on any instrument, can show up on an index, can show up on a metal, a currency, an energy, or a cryptocurrency. If there's major red news on the calendar, understanding how that can be used to manipulate and trap traders on the wrong side, and understanding that just by simply waiting until either maybe the following day or into the closing range of the week, we can have front side movement, we can have backside movement, but which offers us an actual trading setup where the market is going to move strongly in one direction after trapping traders on the wrong side, either down low or up high, and understanding the higher time frame trading template. What time frame are driving these trades? When we position ourselves on a smaller time frame in line with a higher time frame thesis, first red day, first green day, 3 days of breakout traders in the markets, new timing cycle, a new week, a new month, scalable opportunities that rinse and repeat every month on any instrument in any session. Scalable, repeatable, and simple. We talk about the basic model. We have pump and dump templates, pump, 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 consolidation and dump. And we have dump and pump templates. Same concept, just in the opposite direction. What goes down might come up, and keeping that simple and identifying as that larger time frame template is unfolding, what opportunities does it offer us in the sessions that we're trading? The instrument is irrelevant. It's the same thing over and over and over again. Pump and dumps or dump and pumps. Any instrument, any session, rinse and repeat, scale it up in size. And if it's just a choppy market or difficult to trade, recognizing why would I want to trade that when I can potentially identify an easier setup on a different instrument where there's going to be zero stress, zero thinking, zero emotion for an easy money-making trade. An opportunity where I can significantly scale into this, and this market is potentially not coming back in this session or even for the day. A scalable 5-star opportunity where I can manage my risk, have a 1-bar stop, and I can target asymmetrical risk reward on the other side of the trade. Those are scalable opportunities. Rinse and repeat, scale them up in size. A dump and pump or pump and dump. Understand when those opportunities present, when to nail and bail, and when to load and hold. It's the same things over and over and over again. Which setup have you mastered? Which one are you hunting? If you keep it really simple and sit on your hands and master those setups, they will show up again and again and again. Any instrument, week in and week out, month in and month out. Rinse and repeat and scale them up in size. As we head into our new year, traders, focus on simplicity, focus on the behavior and mindset of the trader, and focus on simple, easy money-making trading setups, and may the markets go with you.